Hi, this is Jeremy Bradshaw with MarineMax Venice, and this is one of our brand new 2018 Boston Whaler 270 Dauntless. The 270 is probably one of my favorite boats. It's a nice boat, you know, for the bay, but also it's big enough and wide enough and fast enough, you know, if you want to do some offshore things and fishing and things along that line. What we'll do, we'll kind of go through the boat and I'll point out some of the highlights on it as far as options. This one does have the blue gel coat here, as well as your dive door. Underneath your T-top, color match to the boat. This one's got the big 225 Verados. Underwater lights. And as we go in here, this is also a very family-friendly boat. It gives you a lot of seating. Point out a couple things. You've got your raw water washdown back there, built-in battery charger, very comfortable aft bench seat, and if you want a little bit more cockpit space, use this as a casting deck right there. This is going to be our dive door, very, very heavy duty. And with our leaning post here, we have a built-in recirculating bait well. Here on the dash, plenty of room for whatever electronics you want to put on the boat. And then we bring these in with the Fusion stereos, JL audio speakers. Very comfortable here for the captain's chair. Fully enclosed head, lots and lots of room. This one also has dockside discharge. Going up front, this is the coolest thing about the boat. It has lots of seating up here. The cushions are currently out, but as you can see here, you can have these in the up position and makes them kind of like a nice lounger. And rod storage as well up here, and tremendous amount of storage inside here. So this is a pretty unique boat. And then when you're just cruising around, very, very comfortable. So as you can see, great fishing boat, very low maintenance, but also lots of seating for the family and or friends. So to recap, Boston Whaler 270 Dauntless. This one's located at MarineMax in Venice. Again, my name is Jeremy Bradshaw. Feel free to give us a call. The number here is 941-485-3388. Thanks for taking the time. We hope to talk to you soon. Bye-bye.